started posting on LinkedIn 1 year ago. I was really struggling in my business. I was only doing a couple of $1,000s in sales. And in 1 year, I have turned LinkedIn into a $20,000+ revenue source for my business. 95% of the leads for my business are coming directly through LinkedIn. And I've also grown from 2,000 to 13,000 followers during that period of time. And what I've learned over the last year from putting all my time and effort into LinkedIn is that there are 4 keys to success. Let me show you. All right, the first important piece is your profile. It is the cornerstone, the foundation of your entire LinkedIn presence. It is the first thing that people are going to check out when somebody learns about you, when somebody recommends you, or when somebody finds your content and is interested. The first place they visit is your profile. So it needs to be optimized to speak directly to the target audience that you are trying to attract. It also needs to give them call to actions and tell them what they should do with the information that they find on your profile. The second important piece is the content. What do you post every day on LinkedIn? And there's 2 reasons that you post content. And the first one is to showcase your expertise in your industry, market, niche, whatever you want to call it these days. The second is that you want to create curiosity around your products and services. You want people to think about what it's like to potentially work with you or buy your service or product. And kind of the bonus advantage of the content is that it starts to build this know, like, and trust factor with your target market, so they start to know you, like you, trust you, and consider potentially working with you. The third piece is that you need to have connections. You need to have the right people in your network. Many people just go out and just connect with ideal clients. I just want all my ideal clients, boom, 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 boom. And yes, you should definitely be connecting with your ideal clients, but you also want to connect with peers, people in your industry, people in your niche, people that have similar interests to you, people that will not necessarily buy from you and be clients, but people that want to support you, support your content, support your journey. They like your mission. They maybe just like your vibe. And by having them in your corner, you are helping to amplify your message out to more people that you want to reach. So now you've got all these pieces working. You've got your profile designed to connect and convert with the right audience. You are putting out content that is attracting people to your profile. You are making connections with people in your target market as well as people in your industry. So what's next is you need a way to do business with them. You need a way to move from a casual view of your content into a potential buyer. And that's where the conversions come in. This is where you need to be really paying attention to people's content, the problems that they have, what they're writing in your comments, and start sending them DMs and having conversations that open the door to potentially talk about your offers and how you can help them. So when you have all 4 of these pieces working, this is how you have a successful LinkedIn strategy. And if you want more content to see how to achieve these things for you and your business, then you probably want to hit the subscribe button. See ya.